In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams application and signing into your account so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're signed in and looking at the main window, move your mouse to the top right corner of the app and locate the three horizontal dots icon labeled Settings and More. That icon opens the main menu where most interface adjustments live. Click the three dots to open the menu. Inside that drop-down, look for the Zoom section. This area shows the current magnification level so you can see how large or small the app interface is set. If the text or interface feels too big and you want to reduce it, you'll use the minus control next to the percentage. Click the minus button beside the zoom percentage to reduce the screen size in small steps until you reach a comfortable view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use a quick keystroke instead of the menu. Press Ctrl and the minus key at the same time to zoom out. Repeating that shortcut will continue to reduce magnification step by step. This is a handy way to adjust things quickly without opening menus. To test how your Zoom settings affect meetings, navigate to the Calendar section of Teams. From there, click Meet Now to start a quick test meeting. This creates a short session you can use to confirm how the interface appears to you and to make adjustments while in a call. Once you're in the meeting, look at the meeting toolbar and find the More button, which is represented by three dots at the top of that toolbar. Click that More button to open the meeting menu. In that menu, select the Zoom option to make further adjustments to your view during the call. This lets you fine-tune the display specifically for meetings without changing other parts of the app. If you ever want to undo changes and return everything to the original interface size, press the Reset button. Reset will restore Teams to its default zoom level so you can start from the standard view again. Following these steps lets you control how large or small everything appears in Teams, test those changes in a live meeting, and revert to defaults when needed. Try the Meet Now test to confirm your settings and adjust until the interface is comfortable for your screen and eyesight.